I go with you. Where you from?
France.
France, comment allez-vous, ça va?
Ça va bien, merci.
Peace and love no more. Music, freedom. Saving for this you are here.
So Friday, 10th of February, only have 6 days left in Thailand. This morning I had a major opportunity to visit Koh Phangan, which is the island I really like to see, and there's the full moon party, of course. First I'm going to much calmer and tranquil places. Also, I got an answer from the woman in the pharmacy for the sickness I had for 5 days. According to her, is due to the oil, consuming too much oil, which is pretty hard to avoid since anytime Thai cook things they put oil, soy oil, mainly, which is very inflammatory for the body. So I got all this mucus. I was coughing, I won't stop.
I don't feel bad for you, yeah. Give us our Lucy, yes, yes, yes. My mom is someday. In a boat, I don't feel bad for you. In a boat, I don't feel. Thank you for the money. You get $10 million. Thank you. Shape look like a leg.